1 out of 24 diamond, bro.
You think you're gonna get diamond in this?
No, well, hopefully I get yellow jade, new jade, or amethyst.
Why you make me spin? Why you make me spin if you don't think you're gonna get a diamond in this?
Cause 1 out of 24 I might get a real diamond, so that's
What are the chances?
1 out of 24. In this more oil.
So what are you supposed to do with this now?
Break it open.
Break it.
Slow fake, obsidian, salt, new jade, salt, something.
Okay.
Look at that diamond. I'm gonna get. Forever to open. Oh, it's powdery. No. Really?
You need a bigger hammer though.
This is the brush off or something. Wait.
You literally bring hammer.
Yep. Why use coil one if you use this one? Please amethyst, please amethyst, please amethyst.
If you break my table, you know what you're going to get, right?
Get a diamond. A slap.
So the diamond and
Something better than diamond.
no, a slap is way worse than a diamond. I'm getting all my clothes messed up too. Can I go outside and just do it harder? Wait, 5 minutes. Let me just go outside and just smash it. Wait for the minutes here. See, a little bit off. I got some off at least. Not working anymore.
Mine you break the diamond inside.
True.
It's like a small diamond in a paper.
Suppose a big diamond and you break it.
That would be really bad. I talked about this. What was it? Oh, I don't know what that is.
Wait, why didn't you soak in the water?
Hello, don't give him any ideas.
You're supposed to soak in the water for it to come up, for it to break softer. You just wash it.
I didn't know amethyst, you know? See? I got open. No, I won't.
What do you got? Diamond?
Amethyst.
A black diamond?
Amethyst. Amethyst. Right, amethyst, right?